Hi, Paul from Devongunsmith here again, and this is just to say thanks to the support I've had for people wanting to become members of the guild, which is good, and wanting to know how to do super thanks as well. So let's get into it. If you enjoy the content, don't forget, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. So I'm going to put a pop-up a screen here and we'll go through it. Okay guys, so membership, join the guild. See the white bouncing arrow, the joint button there. You can then select what level of guild member you want to be. Click join, and after a second a pay screen will pop up with the price. You put in your details in the grayed out section, buy it. That's it. Super thanks is a simpler one-off donation, and much the same thing. See the bouncing white arrow? Click the thanks button. You can select a tip or one-off super thanks. Don't know why they call it super thanks. I suppose it's to suit the young kids. For as much as £500. I don't know why you want to do that much, but anyway, buy and send. Again, there's a little pay screen there with your super thanks. Use your card number, your name, address. Down at the bottom there, select the buy button, and that's it. So thanks guys, I really appreciate your support, and these will be coming online, and you can either make your own following the video that I've showed you outline, and I'm going to be making something similar to this, handmade, from spring steel, and these will be available to you as well as a little bit of merch, because obviously I can't make guns as merch, doesn't work that way. But yeah, as always, thanks for your support guys, and I really appreciate you. I'll try and improve the content. I'm using a different software now, which is slightly bit more snazzy. It's all about getting my 60-year-old brain to work properly. But thanks guys, see you soon.